Hello everyone, welcome back for my channel, welcome back for my new video. Hope you're doing well. Let's work out. I will show you upper body conditioning. Many people have problems with their posture, so I will do part near the wall and then I will show you maybe something on the mat. Very simple. For me it is simple, maybe for you to be difficult. I'm telling you again, if you find something very difficult for you, just skip for the first time, or you can comment, maybe I can suggest you any other option of doing this. So first, we will activate our thoracic spine, shoulder blades. Step back from the wall, place your arms on the wall, open your legs, maybe 30 centimeters wide. From the wall, you are maybe 1.5 meters. Keep your arms straight. Then from here, what I want you to do, you just need to rotate your pelvis, keep your lower back fixed. Relax your upper body and then push back. Relax your thoracic spine forward and then push back. Relax and then push. We're gonna do 10 times. If you feel that it doesn't have this really like nice and smooth feeling, step forward a little bit, add more pressure, more body weight towards the wall. This way you can feel. Let's begin. Inhale first. Exhale, keep your arms straight. You relax your upper body and then you push back. 1, 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. As you can see, my upper body is piked. And relax. Now open your legs wider. We'll do same thing, but just only with left and right arm. Place your left arm in the middle, grab with your right, your scapula. And then from here, relax forward towards the wall and then push back. Relax towards the wall, as you can see scapula and shoulder blades working, and push back. Let's work 10 times. Inhale, exhale, and push. 1, 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, push. 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. Good. Then switch. Right arm in the middle, left arm grabs your scapular and relax forward. Relax and push. 1, 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And release. Nice one. This is very simple and very easy way to activate your scapular. If you cannot do this, that means your scapular, it is very stiff and it has really bad mobility, which I don't suggest you to have, because your scapular should move really good. This affects your thoracic spine. As everyone knows, our thoracic spine, like this part, is the stiffest part of our spine. That's why many people like have a neck tilted forward and then like this kind of shape. And also keep in mind one thing, that sometimes your lower back, if it is bad, if it is weak, it is related to your upper back. What does that mean? If here is weak, then it is very hard to have, let's say, this kind of posture, right? When your lower back is and pelvis is tilted forward, but then upper back is here. So you need to practice both upper body and lower body as well. That will opens your posture back. Okay, we continue with next move. For this, I will use a yoga block, but just because it's soft and I'm outdoor. If you doesn't have any yoga block at home, you can use a towel. So you can put a towel and fix it. What we're gonna do, come closer to the wall, place it like around your eyes. Your head, place your head here, legs together, then arms relax it back. First, straight arms. What we're gonna do, we will push our shoulder blades backwards as much as you can and back. We'll do 10 times. Inhale, exhale, and push back. 1, 2, Nice and easy. 3, just push back, squeeze your upper body. 4, 5, 6, go ahead. 7, 8, push back. 9, 10, lock your upper body, hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, you slowly drive your palms towards your head, behind your head. Lock your fingers, keep pushing out your elbows. From here, you inhale deeply, you relax your shoulders forward, and you push them back. 1, you can reach with your elbows the wall. 2, slowly. 3, go ahead. 4, push. 5, 6, 7, go ahead. 8, 9, last one. 10, and hold here. Push your elbows backwards as much as you can. 10, 9, 8, 7, push. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then from here, slowly open your arms towards the side, 90 degrees. Keep holding this posture. Keep pushing your elbows back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then slowly your arms drives down behind your back. You lock your arms behind your back, and from here you inhale, exhale, flex your arms up, hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Take a towel or yoga block and put it aside. Okay, this is another useful thing for your upper body. We go ahead, step closer to the wall, then look, I will show you towards the right side first. Your left arm drives towards the right side, your shoulder touches the wall. You keep it straight. As you can see, my pelvis is rotated like forward, face to the wall. Then you inhale, keep your right arm straight in front. Inhale. With exhaling, you twist yourself towards the right side as much as you can, and you back up. Inhale, exhale, let's work. You follow the arm. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, good job. 6, go ahead. 7, 8, 9, one more. 10, and you should lock here. And back up. Switch. Your right arm falls forward. Pelvis moves forward. And you inhale, exhale, twist towards the left. Exhale, twist. Follow your arm. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, hold. 10. Good. 3, 2, 1, and back up. Good one. Release. This you can do near the wall. Then what we're gonna do next, again, shoulder blades, but then you can do this near the wall as well, but I prefer on the mat. You can do even on the floor. What we're gonna do, pay attention. We are rotating our arms inside, right? We are placing our arms on the mat, open them wider a little bit. And then from here, first you pike your back, inhale, pike your back. Then from here, you exhale, you start to look forward and push down your chest. And again, pike up, rotate your pelvis, exhale, going down. Okay, pike back. Inhale, we're gonna move 10 times. Here we go. And back. 2, and back. 3 and back. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10 and hold. 3, 2, 1 and back up. Relax. Good one. This move is very efficient. It will help you to activate in the same time, stretch chest. Very useful. Inhale. Exhale. We go to the next one. This might be harder for someone, but for some of you who practice with me like recently, maybe let's say last few months, you saw this move, which is very helpful. Plank position. From here, we are opening one side up 90 degrees and we back. Another side up and we back. What you need to keep in mind here, keep in mind that your elbows should have 90 degrees. When you push and rotate, this elbow should push up. Try to not fall towards the side. Okay, here we go. We go 10 times. Plank position, rotate your pelvis. Inhale. Exhale, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Keep working. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. Good one. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. We continue. Shoulders. We are doing kind of down-facing dog, but then using our shoulders. Elbows on the ground, toes on the ground. Then from here, rotate your pelvis first. Raise your knees off the ground, and then slowly drive your shoulders back and flex your legs. 1 and back up. 2 and back up. We'll do 10 times of this. Nice and easy one. Try to push your butt backwards and up as much as you can, and drive your shoulders back. Inhale deeply first. Here we go. Rotate your pelvis, raise your knees off the ground. Let's start working. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then from here, straight arms, we go to full down facing dog. Hold here. Breathe. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back up. Good job. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do one more. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Another useful thing, knees on the ground. We did same near the wall with straight arms, but then we will do now on the elbows, and it is a little bit different. Rotate your pelvis, raise your knees off the ground, right? And then we're working only with our thoracic spine. So we relax towards the ground and we push up. Scapula and shoulder blades. Relax, push up. Inhale. Here we go, 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. That's it. Stand up slowly. Inhale first. Exhale. We'll do one more last stretch near the wall. Very helpful. I really like it. place your arms behind your neck. Then step closer to the wall. Put both of your elbows on the wall. Step back after that. Inhale. Exhale and push your chest towards the wall. And back. Inhale. And exhale. Here we go. 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then if you can, step back more from the wall and just push as much as you can. Good. That's it. Nice one. I hope you like it. I hope you find it very useful for you. I try to record more helpful and useful videos. Last video about the lower body conditioning, I saw people react very well. So you can comment. I will record more and more useful things. Sometimes I really just recording my work, how I work hard, because I don't want to think too much. I just want to go through. But in general, I'm more and more focused on being helpful. So I'm listening at what you are saying and then try to record more helpful content for you. Stay strong, take care of your body, wish you all the best. Peace.